Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best welding screens that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Moforn Welding Screen with Frame. Moforn Welding Screen with Frame is a portable, light-proof, and professional welding protection screen. It is made of flame-retardant vinyl that protects bystanders from harmful rays, sparks, and fire. The durable metal frame is made of sturdy carbon steel that increases its toughness, and it comes with 4 flexible wheels that rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to move. It also has easy installment with slip-fit connection and cable ties that allow quick and easy assembly without tools. Moving on at number 4, we have the Viz Pro Red Vinyl Welding Curtain Welding Screen. The Viz Pro Red Vinyl Welding Curtain Welding Screen is a flame-resistant vinyl screen with a slip-fit connection, making it easy to assemble without tools. It measures 8 feet by 6 feet and is designed to protect workers, material, and equipment from the hazards of welding sparks, spatter, and UV flash. Its red color adds an extra layer of safety, making it easier to spot and avoid. Ideal for welding screens. At number 3, we have the Jackson Safety Wilson Welding Curtains. The Jackson Safety Wilson transparent welding curtains are designed to provide UV protection, injury prevention, clear division, and noise minimization during welding. Made from heavy-duty green vinyl, these curtains filter far, near UV radiation and blue light. The welding screens are grommeted and ready to hang, and they help protect bystanders from ultraviolet light while welding is being performed. They meet or exceed California State Fire Marshal (CFM) requirements for flame resistance. At number 2, we have the Arc Union PVC Welding Screen Panel with Metal Frame. Arc Union PVC Welding Screen Panel with Metal Frame, 6 by 8 feet, also known as Arc Union Welding Screen, is a high-quality and durable welding screen designed for industrial and contract sites, welding workshops, automobile inspections, shipyards, and any other place where welding activity generates sparks. The welding screen is made of high-quality PVC material, which is transparent and provides observability and eye protection from harmful rays and sparks. The screen meets CEEN 1598-2011 norms and has acceptable transparency, reflectance, UV resistance, and flame resistance. Moreover, its easy slide slip-fit connection permits quick and convenient mobility, making it easy to assemble and disassemble. Overall, Arc Union Welding Screen is a practical and reliable solution for protecting workers and passersby from the hazards of welding. And finally at number 1, we have the Weaver Welding Curtain with Metal Frame and Wheels. The Weaver Welding Curtain is made of flame-retardant fiberglass material with a size of 6 feet by 8 feet, providing excellent protection against harmful rays, sparks, and fire. Its durable metal frame is made of sturdy carbon steel with black paint treatment to prevent rust and corrosion. The welding screen also features a visual window for easy observation and 4 swivel casters for mobility. With easy installment and firm fastening, this welding screen is perfect for workshop and industrial use.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.